And Michael, this was a case that, from our viewer standpoint, they really liked what they felt was a defendant who was speaking the truth on the witness stand. Now, whether or not the jury picked up on that or felt the same way, who knows? What was your take on this case overall, and specifically the defendant's performance on the witness stand? Because let's face it, that's going to make or break it.
I completely agree with you, Ted. If the defendant did not testify in this case with those facts, it would have been very, very difficult for him to be acquitted. But his testimony was long, it was perfect, it was flawless. He came off as sincere, he came off as honest. He was very even keel. You know, as a defense attorney, that is the perfect dream client to have in terms of tested. The facts were not that good, but in terms of the way he testified and the way he projected in that courtroom, he was flawless. You could not do a better job. And you could tell that was not all preparation. That man is just built basically to have ice in his veins, talk under pressure, be even keel, and be honest, and be self-examining. So I think his testimony was great. My analysis of the case is one big thing that harms him, and it's the facts. If the jury feels that these people were retreating and his life was not under threat, imminent threat, and he came out and started firing, that's going to be the most destructive fact for him getting an acquittal, right? Because you don't have to even be an attorney to know. If somebody's running away from you and you go in and you shoot a rifle, I mean, you've murdered that person. It was a lot more complicated here. He was the victim of domestic violence. His girlfriend told him, they're going to come here, they're going to kill you. They came there, they showed up en masse at night. Very odd. So I mean, just imagine a mailman knocking on your door at midnight. Now it's not a mailman, it's 4 people related to the person who told you they're going to come kill you, right? So it's very, very difficult. The facts are not great for him, but his testimony was perfect.